which is the length of the color. I've made a string s equal to colors so that I can use s later on. It is just colors, I would say. Int answer, which I have written, which is minimum time to make the row colorful. I have initialized an I, which is the starting point of the string. And what I'm doing is I'm finding character, what is the color of the color at ith index. This is total. Now how I am thinking of finding the time required for making a group, or removing all the balloons from a group, leaving only maximum time needed by the balloon one. So what I'm saying is i'm I'm having a total which will calculate total time by needed to if I want to remove all the balloons of a group. Let's say if I want to remove all the balloons of this blue one. So what I'm saying is it is the total time needed to remove all the balloons. So balloon number one, balloon number two, what is the total time needed? It is the total. And what I have to remove is I have to remove the maximum, I have to remove the balloon which requires maximum time. So this max time will calculate the max time from the our needed time. I hope you are understanding. This total time will calculate the total time required by a group if you want to remove it. And what is our max time? It will calculate the max time from the group. So I'm if this is a while loop, what I'm saying is here I'm doing, I'm adding the needed time in total, and I'm finding the max time and increasing the my index. And what I'm adding is I'm adding total minus max time. This total is total time needed to remove all the balloons, but we have to not remove all the balloons. We have to leave the balloon which requires maximum time. So I'm subtracting the max time and adding it to answer and returning the answer. Let me show you by submitting. It works. So what is the time complexity? Time complexity of the solution is O of 1, because I am having only one initialized, only one I which is moving throughout the string. It is not O of n square, because this while loops is inside the outer while loop, the the I is incrementing for till it reached n. What is the upper bound of my index? Upper bound, or what I will say is I can only go up till I n. So though the time complexity is O of n, I'm sorry, O of n.